Hi, I'd like to update you on a decision taken by the government this week to review the SUSI grant scheme for students going to further and higher education, which will impact almost 77,000 students and of course many who will be entering third level for the first time next year. So the SUSI grant scheme, as you know, supports students. It pays some of their fees and pays maintenance grants. So the review will be all-encompassing. It would look at income thresholds, it would look at the rates of grants being paid, at the grants available to part-time students and to postgraduates. So it's a good decision by government because we haven't reviewed SUSI in a long number of years, and society has changed here in Ireland, and so has the education space and the costs associated with that. So it's right and proper that the government now does this, and we're going to review all of it. It'll be all encompassing, and we will consult with everybody and the major stakeholders, including of course the Union of Students in Ireland. So the review will commence early next year in 2021, and government will consider it in the summer of next year, and hopefully we'll be in a place quite soon after that to have an entirely new set of criteria and resourcing for the SUSI grant scheme for students.